You guys, I'm going to do a mini unboxing of AirSkirts. Look at all this stuff. I have even more. If you camp in the winter to cold states or you full-time RV, you have to get this. You guys, we full-timed for 2 years in Denver and we were always freezing and we tried all the things. The chicken lamps, we tried dripping the water, we tried keeping the doors of the cabinets open. Oh my goodness, we tried space heaters, we tried it all. And nothing worked. Nothing worked consistently until AirSkirts. So AirSkirts is specifically made to keep you camping year round. You get this amazing welcome kit. You guys, they did a great job on their brochure. And they really walk you through step by step. And it's not super long. It's not like some crazy owner's manual. It's very easy to follow. They show you pictures. They show you what you're going to do. And they look like bouncy pads and they're going to go all the way around your RV. When you're ordering, you're going to tell them what kind of brand you have, your make, your model, all of those things, and they're going to give you the correct size. Now, in addition to getting this great instruction manual that's very easy to follow, you're going to get everything that you need in your AirSkirt welcome kit, and it's going to tell you exactly what to do. And we're going to do a separate video on showing you how to set it up in your RV. But I want to show you how easy this is so that you're prepared and that you know what you're getting. So it comes with the air pump. You guys, that is a big deal. I probably own 5 air pumps and none of them work like this. When I tested this out, I was blown away. So it'll come with this air pump just like that. Basically, you do not need to disattach or unattach the end cap of where you're going to blow it up. So you're going to find the end cap. I'll show you on the stairs right here. This is a stair pillow, and this is going to go in between your stairs. So you just literally unscrew the top. You don't have to unscrew the rest of it. And then you're going to take this and you're just going to turn it because this was made for their product. So the end piece fits. And then you're just going to hit start. And watch how fast this goes. You guys, that fast, and it's already blown up. Now, you're going to do this with your stair pillows. You're going to do this with your skirting that's going to go all the way around. It's a really solid material. It's not like going to get scratched. It's meant to withstand the weather and the cold. Now, what else are you going to get in your kit in addition to the pump and your skirting and your stair pillows and everything that you need in the welcome kit? You're also going to get a bag to carry it in, because after you blow it up and you unblow it up, it's not going to probably be folded like that. You're going to want, because I have multiples of these. This is just one. You're going to have it to go all the way around each side, the front, the back, everything. You're really skirting your entire RV. So they come with these beautiful bags. I love their black and green. To me, I call them hockey bags because my son plays hockey, and this is exactly what his bag looks like, and it's like the size of a hockey bag. So if you have a kid that plays hockey, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But I love that it lays flat for storage, but it also folds quite large so that you're not trying to squeeze like a tent into a tent bag. It doesn't work. So this, they've actually thought this out. They've planned it out. You can easily fit. It's probably going to take a couple bags depending on your size RV. Mine is a 35-foot. Smaller RV will be less bags. And then you're going to fold them up and you're going to put them in this great bag. So they've really thought through a lot of different things, you guys.